Today, I'll be discussing how to make a new bank deposit in AppFolio. In order to determine which bank account a receipt will be deposited in, I can access the receipt, then view both the property and cash account on the receipt. For example, in this receipt, the property is Seaside Estuary and the cash account is $11.50, operating cash. If I need to determine which bank account this will be deposited in, I can do so by accessing the property page and scrolling to the bank account section. Here, I see that the $11.50 operating cash account is tied to my Wells Fargo operating bank account. Therefore, this receipt will be deposited into the Wells Fargo operating bank account. Note, determining the bank account association is not a necessary step before performing a new bank deposit. But if you are curious as to how the system knows which bank account to deposit a receipt into, this is how you can tell. Now that we know where this receipt will be deposited, I am going to make a new bank deposit. To make a new bank deposit, I can either click on the Accounting tab, then click on the Receivables subtab, then access the New Bank Deposit task on the right-hand side of the page. Or I can use AppFolio's search functionality by entering New Bank Deposit in the search bar to access this task. After selecting the New Bank Deposit option, I see that I can filter by bank account or by user. This allows me to only deposit receipts associated with a certain bank account or to only deposit receipts entered by a certain user. Since I know I am working with the Wells Fargo operating bank account, I am going to select this bank account, then click Search. I see that there are 2 open receipts to be deposited, but I only want to deposit the $250 receipt from Elaine, since this is the only receipt I will be taking to the bank today. Remember, all tenant, homeowner, owner, and other receipts whose cash account is associated with the selected bank account will appear here. I can deselect the receipt from Paul, then I can click Make Deposit. Now that I have done this, my bank deposit is complete. To view this bank deposit, I can navigate to the Bank Deposit subtab and select the deposit number, or I can run a deposit register report to find a list of deposits and all receipts that are included in them.